She can sit right in that last seat over there in the jury box, and I will call it back up when she has her story straight.
Thank you, Judge.
But if she's up here and she's lying to me, ma'am, I don't play that way. So if you come up here lying to me and don't tell me the whole truth, because I can see exactly what's going on here. I'm not stupid. But if you come up here lying to me, you're going to go. It's really simple.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Julie Vachan. I mess it up every time.
I had it 5 times.
All right.
Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Miss Julie Vachan.
That's right.
All right. Please state your
Morgan Barroso on behalf of people.
please state your record.
Julie Vachan.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Ms. Barroso and to Ms. Vachan about this matter. We are close to a resolution. The people have made a reasonable offer.
Go ahead.
Have made a reasonable offer. The issue is there's an MDOP. It's going to be requiring something to be paid off that may have already been paid off. So I need to get a receipt from Ms. Vachan before we're prepared to resolve it. Before we're prepared to resolve it. So I'm asking for a short, either 2 or 3 week adjournment, whatever fits the court schedule best, to get that receipt and turn it over to Ms. Barroso to see if that will help to resolve it.
Okay, that's fine. Hey, but is there a reason why she hasn't been going to community corrections?
I was sick. I was in a hospital.
She missed. She had a court date scheduled for February 14th. That was also
No, I understand that, but she had missed to January 10th. She tested negative. January 19th, she missed. January 22nd, she missed. January 24th, she comes in, test positive for THC. And then she misses February 7th. And then misses February 9th. And according to this, was in the hospital on the 13th through the 15th.
So I understand what the court said.
Mr. Allen.
Missed several tests. It sounds like in late January into February.
And the only test that she then took for that period was positive.
I know she was in the hospital, which is why the February 14th court date was adjourned.
Right, I have that one, but she hasn't been testing.
Okay. She did indicate that she went to go test today. They did not drop her. They told her to wait till after court.
Yeah, because she hasn't been testing. And
I just found I had pneumonia. And I was sick, like I just had it. Whatever.
did you?
Up to this point, the judge has been listening. But now comes the turning point. Once the violation report is opened, every explanation has to match the documented record. From here on, credibility becomes just as important as the alleged violations themselves.
You read this violation report?
I did not, Judge.
Because I don't know what's going on with this individual, but the very first conversation, there's a call made to the phone, and it looks like some games are being played with community corrections. And she tests positive for marijuana, but then indicates she doesn't have a MMC. She doesn't have a medical marijuana card. And that she was at a party and had 2 marijuana-laced cookies. So on. And they keep telephoning her, said she was unable to take the test on 119 having to pick up her kids. And she reminded that they were open from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., instructed to report to community corrections On January 24th. She did, and that's when she tested positive. She hasn't given any on the February 15th, although the court has them. She didn't give any medical documentation to the two community corrections.
So you didn't give it to the court. What's good with Miss Gaines? Oh. Yes, my understanding is she was working with Miss Gaines. I guess that must be how the court ultimately received.
Pardon?
You said that the court had not received the hospitalization.
I have it. I have the hospital. That's fine with me. It's the stuff before this that is very concerning because she does her first test, she's negative. Then she just doesn't seem to do testing, as though she's not taking what the court says very serious.
Go test.
And then she's talking about, and there's this whole issue with the phone back at the beginning of January about the appointment.
Obviously, I did not.
And then she's talking about having to pick up her kids, and that's fine, except they reminded her that they're open from 8 to 4.
Did I go to testing after that like she told me I could go the next day? And I believe I went that day.
What day?
The day after that I was supposed to pick my kids up.
On the 24th. Right. That's the only test you've done. Do you have it in front of you? You want to see my copy?
I don't have it in my.
I don't, but no, I have not. That like
So, that's on 110. Once you reported to community corrections required to intake. Yes, with the marijuana laced cookies, it appears, Your Honor. I approach.
Yeah. So she had the marijuana cookies on which day?
She said on 110.
That was after she was arrested.
I guess so, Judge.
But she just told me it was before she was arrested. So which one is it?
before.
She doesn't recall, Judge.
What?
She doesn't know the date. Obviously, Judge. I don't know when she was arrested. She believes it was right.
So tell me about the phone. You see, I have a feeling you're playing games with me.
I don't know anything about no phone. I don't remember. I don't know nothing about no phone.
The judge says that the report we're not making phone calls, it's not the right phone number for you to reach you to do the testing.
Well, no, that beginning part of the report where they tried to call and they said they were trying to return it to the owner and they said it was actually her on the phone.
You understand what Judge said?
Yeah, when I lost my phone and
That's what he's asking you about.
yeah. I had lost my phone and I was getting it back from the person.
That's what he's asking you
And
about.
they said that the person said somebody called me or something like that. And
So Judge is asking you about the phone. When did you lose your phone? How did you get your phone back? He wants an explanation for when.
I don't know. I don't remember the exact dates, but whatever it is, I accept full responsibility. Whatever.
Oh, I don't know you want to do that because that'll make my job a lot easier.
When I lost.
Well, how'd you get it back? That's what he wants to know.
I called my phone and I met up with the girl to get my phone back.
Okay, where?
At the gas station.
Okay, how'd she get it?
I left it there.
At the gas station. What gas station? He wants them details.
The Citgo gas station right here outside of Hogback, whatever it's called right here.
Okay. So my understanding from what she's telling me, Judge, is that she left her phone at the gas station, the Citgo.
This was before the delayed marijuana cookies.
That's my.
Oh, okay.
This is after cookies. I ate the cookies before I was arrested. A couple days before that, I got arrested on the 31st.
Ma'am. You have laced cookies
take a test, it shows up negative. Then 14 days later, we probably would have known before then. But 14 days later, then you take a test, and that's when it shows up in your system.
The judge is saying that it should have showed up immediately. That's what he's suggesting.
Okay.
So he wants to know how is that possible?
I don't know.
Was there another slip? What he
No.
wants to know.
No.
Were you around someone who could have been?
Okay, look. Here's the thing. Mr. Feaster, I realize you may be at a slight disadvantage because you don't have the report in front of you.
Yes.
I'm going to give you my copy of the report. She can sit right in that last seat over there in the jury box. And I will call it back up when she has her story straight.
Thank you, Judge.
But if she's up here and she's lying to me, ma'am, I don't play that way. So if you come up here lying to me and don't tell me the whole truth, because I can see exactly what's going on here. I'm not stupid. But if you come up here lying to me, you're going to go. It's really simple.
Have a seat right there. Sir.
Have a seat right, that last seat up there.
May I borrow that again, Judge?
That may be the most important statement of the entire hearing. The judge isn't just warning about the missed tests anymore. He's warning about honesty. In many courtrooms, judges can work with someone who admits mistakes, but once they believe they're being misled, the entire case can change. Do you think the judge was being fair, or was this warning too harsh?